welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be what's in my fridge. Okay, so this is my refrigerator. I'm not going to show you what's in the freezer today. I'm just going to show you what's in the fridge. Okay, so this is just an overview of the fridge. Yes, I know there's a lot in it, but yeah. Okay, so the top shelf right now is just, we have some fruit, some snack food, and most of the stuff on the top shelf is just there so my dad can reach it because he will not bend over to get anything. Butter, more leftovers, pickles because they wouldn't fit anywhere else. And we have 3 jars of pickles in there and some leftover cheese that we melted. Okay, so then we have the meat and cheese drawer. We have some ham, turkey, four different things of cheese, well, 5 if you count this, hot dogs, more cheese, and a pack of tortillas. Shelf is just more cheese, like the melted cheese, eggs, my dad's Mountain Dew, tea, almond milk, there's some kind of juice behind there, and chocolate milk and regular milk. And then this shelf is just usually where we keep all our leftovers, and macaroni up here should be down there, but we didn't have space for it. So we have chili and spaghetti leftover, pizza, other leftovers. And this is cream cheese frosting that I made. I just put it in here. So, and this and everything in the fridge looks different depending on the day or the week. But that's typically how the organization is. This is just stuff that we all use most of the time, and stuff that my dad will reach for. Drinks, and then the eggs and the cheese go on here. And this drawer never changes, but depending on what we have that week, that's what it's in it. This is always leftovers. And then when you get down to these two, this is our vegetable drawer, and because it is summer, there's a lot in here. We have lettuce from the garden, iceberg lettuce because my brother's a picky little thing and will not eat lettuce out of the garden because it tastes funny. An onion, and carrots, and more lettuce. And in this one we just keep fruit. Right now we don't have any fruit in it, but it needs to be in there because we found that if we keep the fruit in here, we don't find it, so we keep it on the top. But if we have extra fruit, this is where it is. And right now we're just cutting extra caramel dip from my dad because he's a caramel pig, and chia and fruit cups. So now for the door, and I'm trying to hurry this up because I don't want anything to go bad. Oh. Okay. We keep butter. I need to bag these extra sauces up from like when you get pizza and stuff. This is just cream cheese, which you can't really tell. An extra coconut water that I had, more stick butter, more stuff when you go out to eat, and of course my dad's jellies on this shelf, and then drinks, which I need to stock up on, or at least stock the fridge on. Then you just have our regular condiments: hot sauce, salad dressing, ketchup, mustard, yeah. And the final one is anything that wouldn't fit on the first two shelves: extra drinks and alcohol. Okay, so that's it for what's in my fridge video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do a what's in my freezer, let me know down below. And other than that, if you have not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.